Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we are diving into a US Gold Corp report, and let's just say they are hoping to strike gold with a new stock offering, but is it really gold? Or just pyrite, also known as fool's gold? Before we get started, if you enjoy getting straightforward insights from SEC filings, subscribe to the channel. Also join our Discord community, the link is in the description. US Gold Corp filed this report called an 8K with the Securities and Exchange Commission. The date on the report is June 9, 2025. This is a current report, meaning it is used to announce major events that could matter to investors. The main event here is that US Gold Corp entered into an agreement with Cantor Fitzgerald & Co. This agreement is called a Controlled Equity Offering Sales Agreement. In simpler words, they've made a deal that allows them to sell shares of their stock through Cantor Fitzgerald. The company can sell its common stock, that is, regular stock that investors buy, on the Nasdaq Capital Market. Nasdaq is a stock exchange where many companies' stocks are bought and sold. They can also sell the stock on any other market where it is legally allowed. The goal is to raise up to $40 million. That's a big number. US Gold Corp gets to decide how many shares they want to sell, when they want to sell them, and what the lowest price they are willing to accept is. This gives them some control over the sales process. Cantor Fitzgerald, on the other hand, is supposed to sell those shares for them, acting as their sales agent. For every share Cantor Fitzgerald sells, they get a commission. This commission is up to 3.0% of the price of each share. So if they sell $100 worth of stock, Cantor Fitzgerald could get up to $3. This is how Cantor Fitzgerald makes money from the deal. US Gold Corp does not have to sell any shares if they don't want to. Both US Gold Corp and Cantor Fitzgerald can stop the stock offering if certain things happen. The company also promises to protect Cantor Fitzgerald from any legal problems that might come up because of the stock sales. This protection is called indemnification. The shares that US Gold Corp is selling are registered with the SEC. This means they filed paperwork called a registration statement to make the sale legal. There are a few documents attached to this report. One is the actual sales agreement between US Gold Corp and Cantor Fitzgerald. Another is a legal opinion from a law firm, Davis Graham and Stubbs LLP, saying that the stock sale is legal. Now for my take on US Gold Corp's move. By deciding to sell up to $40 million in stock, the company is diluting the value of existing shares, basically slicing the same pie into more pieces. It is important for investors to understand what that really means and the consequences that come with that. It can also signal that they need funds to continue operating, explore new opportunities, or even pay for existing debt. That can either be a good or bad thing depending on what the company does with those funds. On one hand, $40 million gives them significant financial flexibility. They could use that money to explore for more gold, upgrade equipment, or expand their operations. The deal with Cantor Fitzgerald seems pretty standard, but the 3% commission they would pay is high, and it eats into the total cash they will get. One potential risk, like with most companies that depend on mining, is the price of gold itself. If gold prices drop, US Gold Corp could have a harder time making money, which could affect its stock price. And overall, US Gold Corp is making a bold move to raise capital. This could be a good thing if they use the money wisely to grow the company. And that's all for today's Corporate Decoder. I hope you now have a clearer understanding of US Gold Corp's recent move. Now, I'd love to hear what you think, so drop your thoughts in the comments below. Did you find this video helpful? If so, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more detailed breakdowns of corporate filings. Also, don't forget to join our Discord community. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.